Crypterium is pretty much always valued at 10 cents. Crpt's daily volume stays at $1,107,930, which is a fairly large amount of support for the in a real sense. The price for bears quit has been set at 9 cents. Crypterium's price seems to be going down in a big way, which is a big deal on May 31, 2023. In this video, we'll take you through the Crypterium price examination for now or next week and try to answer these questions as often as possible. What, in a real sense, is a reasonable, short-term cost expectation for Crypterium is actually, formally, as Crpt a very wise guess that is usually very big. Crypterium backing and deterrent levels, etc., or so they from a genuine perspective thought instead of common sense, be that as it may, before plunging generally significant into the Crpt particular examination, let us expressly basically talk about the really current financial circumstances, which is truly basic market assessment over without a doubt the most recent 24 hours. There generally was an expansion in the cost of Bitcoin. Bitcoin accounts for 46.29% market, while Ethereum overall around that truly matters has a regularity of 16.33%, which truly will be colossal, which generally accomplished Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,797.21 level after a decay of 0.42% in an essentially basic way different elective cryptographic sorts of cash, as Ethereum truly has seen a cost expansion of 0.12% coming to 1,813.92 during the previous 24 hours. In a general sense, these occurrences demonstrate that the market according to a certified viewpoint is going in a downward direction for the present moment, demonstrating Crypterium sponsorship and obstruction levels, and so forth. In contrast to what was expected, a dreadful jump can be seen all through the crypto market, demonstrating Crypterium sponsorship and obstruction levels, and so forth. Help is typically a level where buyers become more active and prevent the price of the coin from declining further in a tranquil manner. In essence, opposition is a level where merchants become more dynamic and prevent the price of the coin from rising calmly. Crypterium's current price is 10 cents, and its trading volume in the past 24 hours was $1,177,930. Since yesterday, the price of Crpt has been around $5.67, and its market capitalization is $8,382,866, which shows that Crypterium is a solid investment. Crpt did enter a number, and it still stands at $1,079,000, which is a lot of money in real life. Crypterium price analysis. Crpt price analysis for May 31, 2023, inside and in every way that matters. Daily period really made sense below, or so they thought. We use really relative strength index moving sort of normal combination and disparity. Backing levels, opposition levels, and different time span moving midpoints, such as pretty easy, pretty normal, and remarkable. Moving decently in every practical sense, normal to sort of break down the future development of the Crypterium in a truly significant manner. The prompt opposition for Crpt essentially sort of is quite found at 12 cents, and a breakout from this level could by and large leads towards the kind of next obstruction which can in every practical sense truly be for the most part found at 13 cents, showing how similarly opposition in every practical sense is a level at which vendors explicitly generally move extremely dynamic and certainly prevent the coin as cost from moving reasonably commonly higher in an unobtrusive manner, or so they thought. On the really other hand, on the off chance that the bear most certainly assume command and Crpt cost in a real sense neglects to essentially break out above 12 cents, it could fall back towards the critical help at 9 cents, showing how Crypterium support and opposition levels, and so on in a truly significant manner, or so they thought, amact. line explicitly is remaining underneath of the essentially signal line after a hybrid, which sort of really shows that these occasions especially generally demonstrate that the market certainly for the most part is going in a very descending heading for decently present moment, exhibiting how Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on in an unpretentious manner. In an unobtrusive way, Crypterium investors should wait for a change in direction on the daily chart. The MACD line is still below the signal line after a hybrid, which shows that the market is falling at the moment. Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way, while Crpt's Williams %, marker generally is at 75.686 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating an unbiased condition exchange sort of sign in a real sense is somewhat conceivable at this reach, showing how these OK Asians in a real sense show that the market basically is going in a descending heading for sort of present moment, exhibiting how Crypterium support and obstruction levels and so on, which in a real sense truly is genuinely critical ends there by and large, have been an extremely regrettable pattern for quite a while, and it appears to be that the coin's recovery will in every practical sense essentially go on as certainly lengthy as it for the most part truly stays in the rosy region, so the MACD line actually by and large is remaining underneath of the truly signal line, after a hybrid, which truly shows that these occasions very demonstrate that the market truly sort of is going in a kind of descending course for commonly present moment, exhibiting how Crypterium support and opposition levels and so on, especially in spite of mainstream thinking you ought to possibly sort of gain crypto the present moment, assuming you ready to basically hold it through the highs and lows of the crypto market, which truly shows that. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77 in esteem, most certainly in every practical sense in spite of mainstream thinking, or so they thought. When Bitcoin goes back to its old price of $28,450, people who want to buy it are left thinking where it will go next. Will the good trend continue, allowing the price of Bitcoin to rise even more, or should we get ready for a likely drop? In the Bitcoin price forecast for today, we'll look at economic and market factors to try to answer these questions. As the United States thinks about raising its debt ceiling, the value of digital currencies like Bitcoin goes up, passing the $28,000 mark. Bitcoin, BTC, has gone up by 3%, and the rest of the cryptocurrency market is green, which suggests that prices will go up over the weekend. But this influx of money didn't happen until Republican leader Kevin McCarthy and U.S. President Joe Biden came to a preliminary agreement to raise the huge $32.4 trillion national debt limit. This deal, which was made after 4 days of 90-minute phone calls, is not yet official.